Welcome friends to my YouTube channel. I am Ramakant and you are watching Computer Technology channel. Today we are starting a new playlist dedicated to switches. In this playlist we will divide into the basic of switches, including how to configure him, performance maintenance and troubleshooting any issue that may be arise. Now, without wasting future any delay, let's start. Let's start to understanding what a switch is. A switch is a network device that enable communications and data sharing between two or more pieces. It operates at the OSI layers too, and understanding MAC address, not a IP address. When a PC is instantly connected to a switch, the switch performs as a broadcast. This means that the switch sends out a form prompt to every PC to connect to it in order to obtain their MAC address. Once the switch has stored the MAC address of all the connected PC and devices, it switches to unicast mode. Unicast means that the switch forward frames to a specific PC at a time based on its MAC address. The switch keeps track of MAC address for a certain period of times. If a MAC address remaining inactive for 300 seconds, it means removed from the switch memory. You can refer to the image of a switch for visual reference. In this video, we will explain the basic of switch. In the next video, I will discuss the different types of switches in more details. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Still Jai Hind.